everybody, I'm Brie the Plant Lady. Yesterday, I had a whole bunch of boxes delivered. All right, now I have 5 boxes to open from Bailey's Nursery. And Bailey is a fabulous nursery. They have a couple locations. They're originally based out of Minnesota. They also have locations in Georgia and in Oregon. And they have great quality plants. Oh, their shipping is amazing. Good job, y'all. You know, I worked in mail order for a long time, and so I'm very judgy for the shipping of plants for the doing it like for online ordering. But look at how perfect that is. This is so beautiful. So this is French Cabaret Purple Hibiscus. So this is like a double Rose of Sharon. This is some sort of gorgeous rose. And again, the bamboo here, these things really make it so the plants don't move around. Awesome. So this is Easy Elegance Funny Face. Well, that's cute. It's a good name. It kind of looks like a pink with a dusting of like an edging of white. It's really pretty. Well, this is great. I have recently discovered that I like roses. It's a syringa, little lady, a lilac. Well, I'm always excited to try a lilac here in zone 7, almost zone 8. This says hardiness zones 2 to 7. So what I'm gonna do to make sure that I don't kill this plant, I'm gonna put it in afternoon shade. And that's what I've done with all of my lilacs that I grow. They get morning sun and afternoon shade. And then I make sure that I can water them and make sure that they're easy access to a hose, because we are definitely in the southern range for lilacs, but I do grow them. I grow them successfully. So sometimes it's just about, you know, finding that right microclimate. And that's why I love trialing plants for these companies so much, because I really get to test the southern limits. So my phone got too hot and it shut down in the middle of my unboxing, and of course I didn't know that. But I wanted to show you how beautiful all of the plants are. These are the ones that came in from Bailey Nurseries. Everything is unpackaged and watered in and looking great. So we'll go through the varieties. This is Love Child Sweet Spire. That's Itea virginica, and that's a nice dwarf variety. And then here is the French Cabaret Hibiscus. This is the Rose of Sharon. And Jade Parade Sand Cherry, a plant that I have never grown. You see there's the little flowers. And this rose, which is about to burst into bloom, tons of little buds. This is Funny Face, Easy Elegance. And then the lilac called Little Lady, which is definitely going to be sited in morning sun and afternoon shade. All of those are from Bailey Nurseries. So thank you, Bailey's.